Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making an amazing salmon dinner. This is elegant, clean, absolutely delicious, great for Mother's Day, dinner, lunch, or just for any occasion. Alright, I do hope you guys like this video. Let's jump right into it. So here I have my washed asparagus. Then we are going to be making spicy Parmesan asparagus basically. So we have some Parmesan, some breadcrumbs, some lemon pepper, some chili pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. So I'm using the lemon pepper because I did not have the fresh lemon. If you do, you can use that. Our next step is to drizzle some olive oil or any oil over the asparagus. And not to worry, everything that I use is going to be in the description box. Alright, make sure to massage the oil in. Then we are going to sprinkle the Parmesan mixture right over and bake. And this is what it looks like. Absolutely delicious, guys. You need to try that. Then here we're making some oven roasted tomatoes. So you can leave them whole or you can slice them. I decided to slice mine. I'm adding some oil and some balsamic vinegar, a dash of pepper and salt, and bake. Now we're preparing our salmon. I drizzle some grapeseed oil, salt and pepper. We're just keeping this like really simple. This is my seasoned salmon, and we're gonna pan sear this. So I already preheated a pan with some butter and oil. And depends on how you like your salmon, rare, medium rare. I like mine done, but not dry. So I would say about 3 minutes on each side. And this is what it looks like. I do hope you guys like this video. I hope you find it helpful. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share. Thank you all. See y'all on the next video. Happy Mother's Day. Bye-bye.